أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Greetings, dear brothers and sisters. Thank you guys for joining us and welcome. Today we'll be talking about something or questions that are usually with us and all of us have pondered about or reflected about, whether we like it or not. This is just something in our nature. And this is the question of, why are we here? Where are we going? What is the purpose of life? What brought us here? And this is pretty much just the door of wanting to reach reality and truth. What is the reality? What is the truth? And it's just something in us. Even like these simple questions are just examples. There are many different things and concepts, everything in our life. Human beings, we're curious. We like to know the truth. We like to know the reality. And this is just something that was created inside human beings by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And it is a door for human beings to reach a more higher status in knowledge, to understand their creator, and to awaken the fitrah, or the human instincts or human nature available in them, put by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, which is the knowledge of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and in some narrations, the Prophet and the successors of the Prophet. Now, another way or another door that really makes human beings to move upon understanding reality and truth is called دفع الضرر المحتمل, or removing any probable danger. This is a simple law available in all human beings. When you expect or you have a probability of something dangerous, for example, a travel that might cause you to be hostage or robbed, for example, you will not go on that travel. Why? Because there is a big chance, or there's a probable chance that you will fall into danger. The same thing with human beings when they understand that there were prophets who were sent by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, or sent by a creator. They are claiming something. They're claiming that there is a creator. This creator has hell and heaven. This creator has punishment and reward. And this punishment is not something simple. It's something very painful. Thus, human beings, to at least reach a certainty in themselves that there is no danger, must go to reach conclusions about their message or the message of the prophets. Thus, they either reach to a point where they believe in the prophets, or they do not believe in them and state that they were an invalid prophecy. So these are two simple manners in reaching, movements, something that moves us towards understanding the truth and reality. And other than that, reaching truth and reality, not moving towards it, reaching towards it is also very simple, as stated in the Holy Quran. Just look around at the stars, just reflect and ponder about normal things. You'll reach to a point where you understand that how can this come? This with such high significant intelligence, how did it come into existence? How? And look at how it's moving, look at how it's changing, look at how it's evolving, look how it lives. You reach to that point that there has to be something that created it. Not only something, but something very knowledgeable, something with wisdom that created it. Thus, brothers and sisters, reflect and ponder and keep us in your prayers. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.